Many people spend years working hard to build wealth, but very few spend time learning how to protect it. And one unexpected situation can undo years of hard work if your assets are not structured properly. Today, we're talking about why protecting your assets is just as important as building them. Let's dive in. What are assets? Assets can include real estate businesses, savings investments, valuable property. Building wealth is important, but protecting wealth is wisdom. Why asset protection matters. Unexpected situations happen. Lawsuits, debt, medical emergencies, business issues, family disputes. Without proper protection, years of hard work can become vulnerable. That's why financially smart individuals focus on legal protection, financial planning, estate planning, risk reduction, common asset protection strategies. Some common protection strategies include LLCs for separating business and personal assets, insurance coverage, living trusts and estate planning, proper contracts and documentation, separating personal and business finances. These are not just tools for wealthy people. They're tools for anyone serious about long-term stability and legacy. Protecting your assets is about more than money. It's about protecting your family, protecting your future, preserving what you've built, because wealth without protection can disappear quickly. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe for more financial literacy and wealth building content. And remember, building wealth is important, but protecting wealth is wisdom.